How to add YouTube link on Instagram account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add YouTube link on Instagram account. First, launch the YouTube app on your phone. Next, go to the U tab at the bottom of the screen. Then tap View Channel to view channel. Now, hit the pen icon to edit the account info. In the channel settings, you will see the channel URL and then copy the link. Next, go to the Instagram app on your phone. Here, go to the Profile tab at the bottom and tap on Edit Profile. After that, enable the Show Threads badge option and tap on the links. Then hit the Add External Link and type YouTube in the title box. Now, paste the YouTube link in the URL box and hit the Tick button. In the end, you will see the YouTube link on your Instagram account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.